Hey folks, the Honor 90 and the brand new Honor 200 Pro differ in a number of ways. That's all there is to it. The Honor 90 from the previous year was a good phone with lots of amazing features that entered the mid-range market. Its AMOLED screen outperformed the majority of Google and Samsung phones that were priced similarly. The Honor 200 and the Honor 200 Pro are Honor's two new phones that were released this time around as its replacements. Without a doubt, the Pro version will garner the greatest interest out of the two, especially from those wishing to upgrade. Continue watching to find out the differences between the Honor 90 and the Honor 200 Pro. The Honor 200 Pro's primary camera appears to be a drop from the Honor 90's, going from a 200 megapixel sensor to a meager 50 megapixels one. Of course, those who have kept an eye on smartphone trends are aware that better images don't always result from larger megapixel counts, and Honor has improved the 200 Pro's computational processing. This has been made possible by a partnership with the Parisian photography studio Studio Harcourt, which now provides a number of SH-inspired modes that let you replicate the same kind of portraiture without the need for the pricey equipment that is usually needed. To witness the collaboration in action, simply glance at one of the portrait photos from our Honor 200 Pro review. While the Honor 90 proved to be a capable daily performer, its Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 accelerated CPU undoubtedly needed some fine-tuning. Honor obviously thought the same thing, as seen by the 200 Pro's upgrade to the newest Qualcomm CPU generation for improved performance. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3, which is intended to be a somewhat less potent variant of the full-fat 8 Gen 3, seen in more expensive phones, is now the internal processor of the Honor 200 Pro. Nevertheless, if your existing phone is beginning to feel dated, it might be worth the purchase on its own. It should result in a discernible performance boost over the Honor 90. During our testing, we were able to use the Honor 90 for up to 2 days, which is still very uncommon for smartphones these days. This helped allay any concerns we had about running out of battery life, especially when combined with the incredibly quick 66 watts cable charging. However, Honor has made significant advancements in battery technology for the 200 Pro. In addition to having a larger capacity 5200 versus 5000 mAh, the gadget also features 66 watts wireless charging, which was not available at all previously. Additionally, wired charging has increased to 100 watts, which means that a dead battery may now be fully charged in less than an hour. Excellent news if you're ever pressed for time. The Honor 200 Pro is targeting a little wealthier demographic than the Honor 90, as one might expect. At £699, the Honor 200 Pro aims to rival budget flagships, such as the Galaxy S24 and the Pixel 8. That is a significant price increase over the Honor 90's initial £449 asking price, but Honor appears to have made enough changes to warrant the price increase, given the number of new features introduced. What do you think about this comparison? Which phone did you like better? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.